Safe Drive Solutions is closing for 2 weeks. But that's because we're going to go to Korea and China. And we're going to see some of the best dash camera manufacturers in the world. We're going to see the facilities. We're going to see where the product is built. And we're going to talk to them about what we want to see in the North American market. So we're going to provide very valuable feedback. Ted and I are going, and we're bringing our families so we can explore the culture. My question to you, for all the people who are viewing our YouTube channel, is what questions do you have that you would want to ask, that you would like to have answers to? I know everybody wants to know what's going to be the newest, latest, greatest, amazing dash cameras that are going to be coming on the market. But besides that, what is it that you want to know? Maybe you want to know, how do they actually test the G sensor on a dash camera? And we're hoping that maybe one of these manufacturing facilities has some sort of machine that actually tests this, because that would be great to get that answer, because we're seeing everybody start testing it and hitting dash cameras with a hammer, which I really don't like seeing dash cameras get hit with a hammer. Kind of defeats the purpose of what it was intended for. But either way, we'd like to know what questions you might have, because your questions could really matter for the future development of products. Because when we get to go meet with them in Korea and China, if we feel that it is a really good question, we're going to bring it up to them. And I'm pretty sure the manufacturers we're also going to see are probably also going to watch this video that we're going to be putting out just before we go. So if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and be prepared. Probably come early April, we will hopefully have lots of video of us going and exploring these amazing manufacturing facilities, and maybe some sneak peeks on new products.